Hexagon Agility wants to welcome you to the world of compressed natural gas. You've just taken the first step in experiencing the future of clean, reliable transportation. Our CNG demo trucks are designed to deliver the same power and performance you expect, while dramatically reducing emissions and fuel costs. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to operate your CNG vehicle safely and efficiently, so you can hit the road with confidence. CNG is natural gas that's compressed and stored in cylinders that fuel the engine. It's an odorless, colorless gas that's lighter than air, so it dissipates quickly in the atmosphere. For safety, a chemical called mercaptan is added. That's what gives it the rotten egg smell, which makes leaks easy to detect, though leaks are extremely rare. Now, let's take a look around your CNG truck. You'll see both behind the cab cylinders and side mount cylinders. Important equipment to note on the side of the panels containing the cylinders is the fuel shutoff valve, also called the quarter-turn shutoff valve. You'll also find the high pressure gauge, the fast fill receptacle, and the slow or overnight fill receptacle. Under the rear body panels are two low-pressure coalescing fuel filters. These are not part of the Hexagon Agility CNG system. Inside the cab, above the windshield, is the methane detector panel. This detector is unlikely to ever go off, but it's there for your safety and peace of mind. And you'll also find a blue IQ smart fuel gauge on the instrument panel. Before you hit the road each day, you must perform your daily pre-trip inspection. Here's what that includes. Make sure the quarter-turn shutoff valve is in the on or open position on the side mount cylinder. Next, you want to check the low-pressure fuel filter. You do this by holding a clean cloth under the filter valve, opening the valve for 2 to 3 seconds, then closing it. Even if nothing drains out, this step protects your engine. If you see any oil or moisture, call your Hexagon Agility contact right away. Finally, open the hood and check the oil. CNG engines run very clean, which makes oil hard to see on the dipstick. If oil is needed, call Hexagon Agility for the correct type of oil to use. Using the wrong oil can cause serious engine damage. Next, test the methane detector. Press and hold the Push to Test button for 15 seconds until the alarm sounds and the red light comes on. Release the Press to Test button, then press Reset. If the alarm goes off while driving, pull over to the side of the road safely, set the parking brake, turn off the engine, and move away from the truck. Do not open the hood. Once at a safe distance, call Hexagon Agility. CNG cylinders are full at around 3,600 psi and considered empty at around 400 psi. Typically, only 80% of the cylinder capacity is usable. A good rule of thumb, check the high pressure cylinder gauge at every stop. When the pressure drops below 1,000 psi, you need to plan for your next refueling stop. On your dashboard, you'll find the Hexagon Agility Blue IQ Smart Fuel Gauge, your command center for monitoring your CNG system. This advanced gauge eliminates driver range anxiety by giving you far more than just a fuel level reading. It delivers real-time data designed to make every trip safer and more efficient. When you start the vehicle, the Blue IQ gauge automatically performs a full system check to ensure everything is ready for operation. Use the right menu button to toggle between the current cylinder pressure and percentage of fuel remaining. Press the left menu button to view your estimated time remaining and current fuel economy. If the system detects an issue, the blue IQ will alert you with a red indicator light and a trouble message. In this example, the message indicates that the fuel receptacle dust cap isn't properly secured. Turn off the vehicle and inspect the receptacle. Each cap is equipped with magnetic sensors that must align with the sensors on the receptacle. If the cap isn't fully snapped into place, those sensors cannot communicate, which causes the blue IQ gauge to recognize the vehicle is not ready and the vehicle will not start. Reinstall the cap, then restart the vehicle and confirm the warning message has cleared away from the blue IQ display. Powering your truck with compressed natural gas, or CNG, is a smart, clean, and increasingly convenient choice. Refueling your vehicle is easy. Did you know there are over 1,600 CNG fueling stations across the United States? That network is constantly growing, making long hauls more reliable than ever. Now, let's refuel your vehicle. First, you'll turn off the engine. Then place the nozzle onto the fueling receptacle. It should fit snug. Push the connector firmly until you hear a solid click, and then lock the nozzle onto the vehicle's fueling port by rotating the handle or lever. The fueling will start and stop automatically. Once the pumping has stopped, unlock the nozzle from the vehicle and replace the receptacle fill cap. Return the fueling nozzle back to the station receptacle, and that's it. CNG fueling is that simple. Now you're ready for the open road with the Hexagon Agility CNG demo vehicle. We know you'll agree that CNG-powered transportation meets and exceeds any diesel expectations, as well as running cleaner and quieter. And when you're ready to invest in clean-burning CNG technology for your company, know that Hexagon Agility will be right there with you through sales, service, parts, warranty, and training.